Hello the student of class 2, welcome back to your EVS class. Today we will going to discuss about lesson number 9, transport and communication. First we will discuss about transport. So what do you mean by transport? Transport is a system of conveying people or goods from one place to another place. And people use different means of transport to go from one place to another. It may be, or they use bicycle, car, train, aeroplane, submarine or ship, etc. So means of transport. There are various means of transport. There, number 1 railways, number 2 roadways, number 3 waterways, and number 4 is airways. First come to the roadways. In big cities or in town, people use car, bus, taxis, scooter, auto rickshaw, etc. to go from one place to another. And in rural area or in small villages, people use bullock cart or tanga. Sometimes people ride on elephant, camels or horse. They use them to carry goods from one place to another place. These are the road transport. Next, railways. Okay, so railways play an important role in carrying people or goods from one place to another, and they run at a very long distance. There are different types of train: passenger train, express train, mail train, etc. And there are some train that carries goods. Train has an engine and some bogies. Some engines are run by coal, they are called steam engines. Some engines are run by diesel, some engines are run by electricity. So these are railways. Now waterways. We use boat, ship, steamer, launches to travel in the river and ocean. Sometimes people use cargo ship to carry heavy loads from one place to another, and submarines are used to travel under the water. These are mainly used by the Navy to locate the enemy ships. Next, airways. People use aeroplane, helicopter to travel very long distance at a short time. Okay, and aeroplane also carry goods. Aeroplane and aeroplane engine run on gasoline. Okay, and we all know that a pilot flies an aeroplane. So very easy. You just read the 4 ways: railways, waterways, roadways and airways, and specially read the example of different types of ways. Okay, now come to very important part, that is communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages, that is called communication. And there are many ways by which we can communicate with people living in another place. First, letter. Letter is the most popular means of communication. Urgent letter can be sent through speed post or by couriers. Okay. Now, telephone and mobile is the fastest means of communication with someone. এখন আমরা কি করি না, মোবাইল ইউজ করি। এখন তো আর লেটারের অতটা চল নেই। সো এখন আমরা কি করি না, মোবাইল ফোনের মাধ্যমে or টেলিফোনের মাধ্যমে আমরা কমিউনিকেট করে থাকি। Sometimes we need to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. So we can do through, আমরা এটা করতে পারি কিসের মাধ্যমে, through newspaper or radio or television. These are mainly called mass media. Okay, and today computer plays an important means of communication, or email can be used to send messages টু এনি পার্ট অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড। এখন কম্পিউটার, ইমেল, ফ্যাক্স, মোবাইল এগুলোর মাধ্যমে আমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি দ্রুত কমিউনিকেট করতে পারি। ওকে, সো দিজ আর দ্য ways through which we communicate with people. Okay, so you have to read what do you mean by communication or what is communication and some example of communication. Communication আমরা কিভাবে করি তার এক্সাম্পল গুলো করলেই হবে। ওকে, and your exercise is mentioned in your worksheet. তোমরা ওয়ার্কশিটে যেগুলো মেনশন করা আছে, যেভাবে মেনশন করা আছে সেভাবে তোমরা ওয়ার্কশিটের কাজগুলো করবে। ওকে, সো ডান, টাটা।